How to solve PrepLadder app not working. So if you want to solve PrepLadder app not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store and then you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for PrepLadder. Once you've searched for PrepLadder, now if you have any updates for your PrepLadder, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, you need to come back and open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the apps option. From the apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to scroll down and then you need to find the PrepLadder application. Or you can also just simply go with search for PrepLadder. And now you need to go with clear all data, which will be on the bottom. Tap on OK. Once done, you need to scroll down again. Go with other permissions or app permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions right here. And now you can go back, open up your PrepLadder and then log into your account and your issue will be solved. If not, then you can reinstall the application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.